Hi, I am going to change out the license plate bulbs in a 2006 Toyota Corolla. My license plate bulbs have gone out, which is, I think, illegal to be driving around without that. So
yeah, probably.
And I already bought the new bulbs. I researched online which ones, and I kind of opened to make sure I could do this, but they are Sylvania 168s. I got them two for about $4.25 at Walmart. And basically, it's going to be behind this panel. I already removed all the pegs, but I kept a few in here so you can see how it works. Basically, just put your fingers under there and pull forward. Shoot.
It went in the trunk.
It did?
It popped and went right there.
Oh, there it is. Oh, thank you. Hey, live comedy.
Yeah, really.
That. And I'm not super strong, so this isn't too hard. Just pulling these things out. They look like tacks, but they're made of plastic.
Yeah.
There's a lot more than this, but... And then this will just sort of rotate down, and then you can gently take the last one out. I'll pull it towards you, and this whole panel comes out. And then this is where the lights are in these two sockets. So it's a little tricky. If you're not too strong, I'll try it. But basically you take this part and you're going to rotate it about a half or a quarter turn that way. And it's kind of a delicate plastic piece. It's not super easy. I might need to use some, oh, I did it. And there's the bulb. So I'm just going to pull it out. Just comes right out. Put the new bulb in. See the socket? And it just goes in like that. Oh, well, we know it's working because it just turned on. And I understand, I've heard that the oil or grease from your hands can be bad for the bulbs. They might short out or burst. I'm not sure what exactly could happen, but I've heard it's safe to wipe them off. So, and then you can see there's like some little pegs there, and there's some little areas there that they're supposed to go in.
Little slots.
Yeah, little slots. It's a little tricky. Okay, so it's back in there, and just turn it clockwise. I think it's there. It snaps into place.
There we go.
And then here's the other one. So turn it a little bit counterclockwise that way.
There it is.
I had to get in the trunk because it's a little far away.
She's short, so she had to climb in there.
It's good to show if you are a petite lady, you can do it.
A petite lady.
You can do it.
That one's
All right,
on.
we know it's working. And wipe it off.
Working in the trunk.
Like
Keep going in there, lady. Keep going in. I'm not going to shut the trunk on you.
This reminds me of being a magician's assistant.
Yes. Like how to get out of
Okay, that one went in a little easier.
How to get out of the trunk.
There we go.
Snap it into place.
And then
we'll just double check that it is. Hold on a second.
Yeah.
And double check that they're still on. There they are.
On, yay! And then you got to put this hullabaloo back.
Now this ought to be funny. All right, everybody get ready to laugh. I'm going to put little smiley faces on here with arrows pointing.
Let's see.
Pop the first one into place.
This one seems to be the easiest one because then you got to sort of tuck it back under this piece like that.
Yeah, and there's a little slot. Pull it back out just a little bit. I want to show there's a little slot right here that's got probably where the wires go in for this, or the cable goes in for the trunk release, that it's got to slide up in there. So go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah.
She'll do the outside one there.
They're pretty easy to
not
put
too
back
bad.
in.
Let me take another look at one of those so we can see that there's little ridges on there. You can see there's little tiny, oh, we got to turn it towards the sun here. Little tiny ridges, and those kind of teeth just grab onto the metal hole like that, and they just kind of slide into place. You can hear it kind of grind its way up in there.
Sorry, the sun is blinding me.
Yeah, you got it.
There it is.
There it is. Got to get it at the right angle. Look at how many more there are.
Oh, yeah.
boom.
There's zillions of. We're not going to do them all. But
All right.
that's
So she's going to keep putting them back in.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one. And if you like our videos, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Feel free to share and feel free to comment. See ya.